Welcome to day 111 of our school year. "69 school days left. Okay, let's get down our beginning fraction. We have a total of 180 school days. We are on day 111. Now let's see if our numerator is prime or composite. Well, it's odd, so that doesn't help us. But if we add the digits together, 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 3. So that means 3 is a factor. So it is composite because it has at least 3 factors. It has 1 itself and the number 3. So we're going to use 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, those prime numbers to help us out in our prime factorization. Okay, let's go ahead and divide by 2. Half of 18 tens is 9 tens. I can divide by 5. I can get 10 5s out of there, leaving 40, which is 8. Half of that is 9. Divided by 3, I get 3. Here 3. I can get 30 3s out of there. That's 90, leaving 21. That's 7. 37 is prime. You could check for sure. Yes, 37 is prime. So we are done. Let's go ahead and get down our prime factorization. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 and 3 times 37. It looks like we have the 3's in common. So that's our greatest common factor. Leaving 37 in the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 times 5 is 60 in the denominator. Okay, let's go ahead and make our groups of 3. Your groups of 3 do not have to look like mine, but you do want to have 3 in each group, and you do want to have your shaded separate from your unshaded. Alright, let's find our total groups of 3. The way I made my groups, I ended up having 3 groups of 3 in each row, so I can count by 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 total groups. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Alright, now that we've done our division with our model, let's go ahead and divide with our algorithm. So I'm dividing 180 into groups of 3 and 111. Let's see, 3 times 30 is, placeholder moves it over place. 3 times 3 is 9. Number's the same, 0's the game. 18 take away 9 is 9. 30 times 3 is 90. Number's the same, 0 is the game. Add our partial quotients together and we get 60. 30 times 3 is 90. More on top, no need to stop. 11 take away 9 is 2. 7 times 3 is 21. Numbers the same, zeros the game. Add our partial quotients together, we get 37. We still need to check. Divisor times quotient plus remainder, divisor times quotient plus remainder. Since our remainder is 0 and the identity property of addition says when you add 0 it stays the same, I don't need to add 0. 3 groups of 0 is 0, 3 groups of 6 tens is 18 tens. 3 groups of 7 is 21, 3 groups of 3 tens is 9 tens, plus 2 more is 11 tens. 111 matches our dividend. 180 matches our dividend. So our numerator is definitely 37, and our denominator is definitely 60. All right, now let's go ahead and fill in our data collection page. Okay, we are in trimester 2, week 11. Today's date is 2/13/2020. And our fraction for today is 37/60ths. Okay, so we did groups of 3. Let's go ahead and get out our number line. Last one we have is 31/60ths. Okay, so we need to get all the way over to 37. So we have 32/60ths, which is equivalent to 16/30ths and 8/15ths. That's the simplest form, and 48/90ths. 33/60ths is equivalent to 11/20ths. That is our simplest form. 34/60ths is equivalent to 51/90ths, and 17/30ths is our equivalent fraction in lowest terms. 35/60ths is equivalent to 7/12ths. That's our equivalent fraction in lowest terms, or simplest form. 36/60ths is equivalent to 3/5ths. That is our simplest form. And then today is 37/60ths. There are no lines lined up below it because it is our simplest form, or equivalent fraction in lowest terms. All right, let's go ahead and put your number line away, erase your worksheet, and thank you for joining me.